Hello, hello. Yeah, it's like 23 degrees.
Hope she starts that.
Flat battery.
Straight pipe my RV.
Nah, you're good. Yeah, his car kind of cool though, but can't beat these, you know. The monkey has risen.
What's this?
What's up?
What's up?
Smart boy Ryan crossing out my address so I don't get swatted. Yeah. How are we all doing during this COVID-19 quarantine?
Seems like you guys are dating each other and I'm just here. You never visit me, so.
Well, in my defense, he lives like 5 minutes from me,
Yeah.
and you live like 20.
You said you were a ride or die homie. I guess not.
I mean,
Come here,
it'd be what
buddy.
it be. So, what are we doing?
Box today. Oh,
We're not fixing it. There's nothing wrong with it. Go fuck yourself.
Fix the driver, first of all.
There's nothing wrong with my car. Everything's wrong with it. No, I'm joking.
I need a camshaft replacement. Oh shit.
That's your car. Because of coronavirus, and I've just been working from home every day, and it's really boring. So I accidentally bought car parts, you know? And oh, here we are.
Oh shit.
It's like that, you see that Google search where it's like, help, oops, I accidentally built a shelf or something?
What?
Round 2 of retards unboxing.
Just remember to get the actual mechanic to come through next.
Oh yeah, it's okay, Me and Ryan, we got our mechanic friend, Ethan, he will rock up. 12, he said after 12? Because he's working on his broken Toyota shitbox. I mean, what is it? Again?
Why don't they work?
Because it's all...
What happened?
I don't know, I was thinking it.
They used to work, didn't they?
No!
Oh.
Stop my nuts, right? Stupid one.
That's animal.
Which one should we unbox first? Or the big one?
No, that one. We'll start with the lights. Alright.
No, what if I want to open the big one?
That's the least exciting. So we start here.
Right. This is like, you know, there's the opening ceremonies.
Be different tomorrow this time. Wow.
Wow, it's packaged so well.
Box of bulbs. Yeah, so we got a bulb upgrade kit for my car. So this will have all the bulbs. The headlight, the low beams of the headlights, the parkers, the vanity lights, the matte lights as they call it, the boot lights and the license plate lights. It's not even open, you can't see it. Open the...
I'm waiting for him to open.
And this cost me a grand total of, I'm not showing you because I'm broke.
So you bought 600k?
No, 550.
It's 6,000.
Oh,
I said 550.
oh.
It should be fine.
I don't know.
Headlights.
You probably screwed up again. Flashback to side skirts.
Probably white. I'm gonna net myself.
Why? Oh, F.
For the... So apparently this isn't very hard to install, but we'll just fuck it up somehow. After putting in the test pipes, it was a little bit quieter and the sound was a little bit cleaner, but it still drones a lot. I'll include sound clips.
Now.
This is when with the windows down.
Windows down.
So drones are like 1600 RPM and then like 2500 to like 3500 RPM right now. So I guess it'll be interesting to see how the resonated Wi-Fi will fix that.
It'll be a pretty good test on like what resonators actually do.
Well,
to the
we know
rev
what
range.
resonators actually do. We just don't know if this one will target the right RPMs that we want to get rid of drone.
And we're back!
editing magic. Okay, so yeah, this is also the same brand as test pipe, so it's a Motordyne. It's a wide pipe with a removable resonator.
I thought, where did you get that chef's hat from?
Ratatouille, what are we cooking today?
Ratatouille! Oh, what did we make it today?
A lot of paper.
Big expensive chicken wishbone right there.
Oh, bro, you only got one resident.
Yeah, it's a wide pipe, it has one resonator. Alright, so what's cool about this XYZ white pipe is it's modular. So this one I chose came with a resonator. So if you it so comes with resonated white pipe. You can get a straight through option or a high flow type option. So I guess we'll find out how it sounds.
Hello. Oh, that's resident. Oh.
Actually, really quiet.
It's so quiet, actually.
Can you deal with this?
Hello? Oh, shit.
That's like half the volume.
近づかなきゃてめえをぶちのめせないんでな。ほうほう。では十分近づくがよい。
So how are you supposed to click these together?
Flex tape.
Of course! The solution was flex tape!
No, it's got a V-band plan.
Oh. Dude, look, another chef's hat for you. It's like a clear sock.
There we go. Yeah, that's it. That's definitely it.
Oh, you know what? Yeah. Bring the camera closer. Let's give a little bit of ASMR. Hello? Nice. Alright, come close again, Drew.
Hello, let's try that again. I forgot what I said before, but nice.
Okay, let's get this out of the way. Tell them what this is, Ryan.
It is the most useless piece that makes your car go so fast. It's actually what, like 50 horsepower?
Like,
Easy.
frog power, dude. Frog power. Alright. I got this like weeks ago, but I've been waiting to put it on.
The coronavirus.
No, not really. It's just because, you know, I want content for the viewers. I know you guys are so excited for this.
I think 10 subscribers.
Shut up, you're subscribed.
Like 10 of my accounts.
Okay. Can you guys guess what it is?
I feel like you need to cut in some Iron Chef memes in here.
Yeah, you can help me pull.
Today's ingredient is...
It's a very special ingredient. Car park. No, give your feet. That didn't work at all.
What's of the things you do in a passing parcel?
The parcel.
Isn't it? I thought it was passing parcel.
Pass the parcel.
Is it passing parcel?
Passing parcel.
I like this joke.
Alright, so you guys can't tell by now, it's a steering wheel. But not just any steering wheel. It's perforated leather and
Ooh.
carbon fiber. Get a close up of that, maybe.
Then that shine.
Crikey. Oh. Oh, look at that, Ryan. Oh, have a look at that. It looks fake, G.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
Looks fake as the carbon wrap on your WRX.
What carbon wrap?
Like the grip feels really good and comfortable. Here, have a go. You know what I mean? It's like,
Wow, like
but the grip feels like
grip feels different, eh?
So it's not round. If you look at the side, it's like
Yeah.
like a rectangle sort
Yes,
of.
because you couldn't afford a BMW.
My daily is worth more than yours.
Your daily's worth more than both.
My daily's not even mine. Alright, hop in, chef.
Yes, sir.
As you can tell, the steering wheel, there is no like, what do you call it, hand bolsters?
But there is.
That. It's not as aggressive as your new one.
Right, so this is just the OEM with a, it's a cover, but it's like, the cover's like stitched on. So yeah, you can see he's got the perforated leather and it's like Alcantara of some sort.
Peeling.
It's fine, it looks better than stock. The leather on the OEM one was peeling already, so. Yeah, anyways. So yeah, alright. Well, let's get to removing that. And we shall get our...